Hey guys, how's it going? So in this video, we're gonna compare GameStop to Workhorse. That's right, GameStop versus Workhorse. Which is the better investment? In my opinion only, GameStop is the better investment right now. Why? Because it has a lower market cap than Workhorse. On top of being a lower market cap, they also have more revenue. And then if you look at the balance sheet, according to the balance sheet, they have a total of $735 million on their balance sheet. They do have a lot of debt though, 1.1 billion of total debt. But that could be also part of receivables. Anyway, so they have about $735 million of cash. The market cap is 649 million. So they have less cash than the market cap. Sorry, they have more cash than the market cap, which is a very bullish sign in my opinion. Could they fail? Well, first of all, the PlayStation 5 and the Xbox will bring in short-term profitability. Probably a couple $100 million of profitability we're looking at in the December quarter. Will GameStop ever pay dividends again? There could be a possibility in the future that they pay dividends again, especially if Ryan Cohen turns the company around and makes them an extremely profitable company. So Ryan Cohen is, he is a shareholder and he's also getting involved with the company, trying to change the fundamentals of the company and try to make GameStop into a giant company, and he owns 10%. And it's not like he's going to sell his 10% or he's going to buy it just to sell it to make some short profit. No, I think he wants to transform and turn the company into a giant company in the future. And then if we look at Workhorse, right? Workhorse doesn't make any revenue. They're pure speculation stock at the moment. They have $100 million on their balance sheet and they're valued at $2.58 billion. So if GameStop was to be valued at $2 billion, so $2 billion with, let's say if they don't dilute shareholders, which is, I think, is a possibility, 65 million shares at, let's say, $40. So in order for GameStop to be the same market cap as Workhorse, they have to be trading at $40 for a $2.6 billion market cap. Undervalued? Absolutely. A lot of potential? Absolutely. At the end of the day, it all depends on big money if they want to pump the stock or not. But if Ryan Cohen shows investors that this company is going to achieve profitability in the short term and become a giant in the future, this stock could skyrocket and go to like no man land. If you look at the charting perspective of GameStop, it was a $4 and $5 stock for like almost a year. And now it's a $10 stock, and I think in the short term, in the next couple weeks, maybe the next month, I think the stock will be trading closer to $20. My opinion only. I don't know for sure if that will happen, but my opinion that in the short term, this thing is going to $20. Like for example, Workhorse, right? It was a $2 stock for the longest, $2 to $3 stock for the longest time. Skyrockets to $20, and now it's back. Now it's trading at $24.88. And Workhorse is a much bigger speculation stock than GameStop, in my opinion, because GameStop will be profitable very soon here with the new console launch, and it's trading at such a low valuation that I think that GameStop is going to go to $20 in the very short term here. That's why I think GameStop is the better investment. And I did buy some shares. I do have shares. I have you know, at one point I had like, I don't know, I had like 20 or 30,000 shares of GameStop stock at at $3 or $4 at $4. But I sold out at $5 because I thought that GameStop was going to go bankrupt and become the next Blockbuster. And then when Ryan Cohen invested into the company, I could have jumped in at $7 and ride it up to, you know, what it is now. But I was still bearish, and I was just thinking that it was a short-term thing. But then when he announced this plan to go compete with Amazon, I was like, well, if he succeeds, GameStop could be worth a lot more money than it is right now. And if we look at Chewy, he sold out Chewy for $3 billion. $3 billion. Now it's not, and then the company, the people who bought Chewy for $3 billion took the company public and made it into a $23 billion company. If Ryan Cohen just went and he just took Chewy and he made it a public company instead of selling it out, he would be a very rich man right now, like a very rich man right now. So now he has a lot of free time, and he's gonna use his success of Chewy to bring it to GameStop. So if GameStop was to be valued at $23 billion, wink wink, how much would their price per share be worth? I don't know. A lot more than it is right now, in my opinion. So you guys can do the math on that yourself. But Ryan Cohen is a very smart person, and I would not bet against him to successfully turn GameStop into a giant. And on top of that, the fact that the stock price is moving to the upside, there's also potential that GameStop could raise some more money as the stock price goes up, so they can use that money to buy servers and make the online service better and become a big giant company in the future that focus heavily on online sales. That's a huge possibility, And I also have a GameStop video in the coming out on the weekend, which I've already made. But I'm very, very excited about GameStop. PIC is up 68 cents right now. I guess I made the right choice to buying some stock. Solo is down right now. You know, I'm going to hold on to Solo because I think it has a lot of potential. And it's part of the electric world, and all electric stocks are getting rewarded except for Solo, which, you know, kind of sad in my opinion but you know what? I had a lot of shares in GameStop because I didn't believe into the company when it was $3 to $4. I thought it was going to go bankrupt. I lost out on big gains. I would be a millionaire right now if I just held on to my GameStop stock. Like, seriously, I'd be very close to a millionaire right now if I held on to my GameStop stock. But I didn't hold on. And now I'm kicking myself. Now I'm buying slowly into GameStop. If it dips down to like $8, I'm definitely going to be buying more shares. I'm camping this and I'm eyeing it. But I don't think it's going to go down below $10 anymore. Why? Because the RSI right now is at 66. There's a lot of people talking about GameStop, so I just don't think it's gonna go down. We'll see what happens. Workhorse. No, I already talked about Workhorse. Okay, so Diamond Peak Holdings. I also believe in this company too. I think that this is a solid investment for long term, anyways. CleanSpark, CLSK is up 44 cents. MindMed is up 26 cents today. Big movement to the upside for MindMed. Trine is up up 19 cents, 1.75%. Not too much to say about this. I have shares in this company. Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp up 94 cents. I sold out of my put options. Should have bought some call options right away. Oh well, whatever, too late now. Giga Metals, 10 more minutes before the market close. Giga Metals down 2 cents. I am camping this stock and buying more. This is my one mining play. I do believe that Elon Musk did talk to this company. Does it mean that this company will get a deal? No. But I do believe Elon Musk did talk to this company, and this company does have a really attractive asset, so there could be a deal in the works. Because if there wasn't a deal in the works, Giga Metal should have raised some money when the stock skyrocketed to $2. They should have raised like a little bit of money, you know? They did get some money from people exercising their warrants and options, but besides that, they didn't really raise a significant amount of money, which they should have, but they didn't. Canopy Growth is down 11 cents. Kron is down 11 cents. Afria is, like, think about it, right? Afria is worth how much money? $1.21 billion. What's GameStop worth? $648 million. Yeah, a little undervalued, yeah, absolutely. Very good butchers. I also think that this is an undervalued company, but that's just my opinion. Cresco Labs is up 33 cents. Tat Lifestyle and Wellness up 3 cents after hours, kind of showing a little bit of weakness. Anyways, I think that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.